Namaste and welcome to Prayag Pandits. Today, we discuss the profound connection between Pitrupaksha and family bonding. Pitrupaksha, also known as Shradh, is a sacred period dedicated to honoring our ancestors. It is not only a time for spiritual rituals, but also a time that strengthens family bonds. During Pitrupaksha, families come together to perform Shradh and Pindan rituals. This collective participation fosters a sense of unity and reinforces familial ties. Elders guide the younger generation in performing these rituals, passing down traditions and cultural values. This exchange of knowledge and experiences helps in keeping the family's heritage alive. Pitrupaksha also provides an opportunity for family members to share stories and memories of their ancestors. This storytelling not only honors the departed souls, but also strengthens the emotional bonds within the family. Engaging in acts of charity and offering food to Brahmins and the needy during Pitrupaksha teaches the values of compassion and selflessness to the younger members of the family. Spending time together in devotion and prayer during Pitrupaksha brings a sense of peace and spiritual fulfillment to the entire family. At Prayag Pandits, we understand the importance of family bonding during Pitrupaksha. Our experienced priests ensure that your rituals are conducted with devotion and adherence to Vedic traditions, fostering a meaningful and united experience for your family. Join us this Pitrupaksha to honor your ancestors and strengthen your family bonds. Connect with Prayag Pandits to book your poojan services and ensure a spiritually fulfilling experience for you and your loved ones. Prayag Pandits, your trusted partner in performing sacred rituals. More information, visit prayagpandits.com or contact us at given numbers. We will make sure that your poojan is done with utmost convenience and respect.